This segment is sponsored by Tatum Dentistry. Hi everyone, we are downtown at Tatum Dentistry, and they've been here right in downtown Charleston for 28 years, but we're so excited to talk to their newest dentist, Dr. Celeste Granger, and she's also the one who is here on Saturdays, if that's more convenient for your schedule. Yeah. Thanks for having us here.
Thank you for having me.
I want to start just a little bit and have you kind of talk about yourself, how you arrived to be here with Tatum.
So I went to MUSC, and when I graduated, it was the perfect scenario.
Yeah.
I came in, talked to Dr. Tatum, and we hit it off, and she was looking for someone, and I've been here ever since. It's been great.
Seems like you ladies are a good fit,
Yes.
Talking and hanging out.
Together, yeah.
I mentioned that you're here on Saturdays, and that's a big deal because it's hard sometimes for people to work their schedules to be here weekdays, and also dental emergencies, right?
We see a lot. We actually, last weekend, we saw someone from Beaufort, so we were the only one that was open. It's great getting people out of pain, and then a lot of them love the office, and they end up coming back even 2 hours away.
Yeah. So something you do hear a lot of, that's veneers, and I just want to start with, what is a veneer?
So a veneer can either be composite or porcelain. It's a covering that goes on the front of the tooth. It can completely transform someone's smile, give someone so much confidence that they never had before. It's awesome to see someone completely change from the day they come in, and 2 months later they come in and they're smiling from ear to ear.
Yeah.
Porcelain veneers are a little bit more aesthetic. They are very beautiful. The lab makes them, so we have an awesome artist that creates the smile. We usually start with doing a wax up, and we'll show the patient what their smile is going to look like before they jump right into that. But it's beautiful.
Yeah. I'm sure we're looking at some of the before and afters, which is simply amazing.
Yes.
What is, the process from start to finish? I know you said an artist, if you will, does the work. How long does the whole timeline take?
So really, if you want to get it done quickly, it can be done in a month, I would say.
Okay.
Yeah. So you would come in and we would assess your smile. It really depends on if it's for spacing or if your teeth are a little bit crooked or color. There are a lot of different factors, but we will look at your smile, see what you want to change about your smile, and then from there we'll take some impressions, send them to our lab artist. He's fantastic. He will send us back a wax up of the teeth, and then the patient will come in, see them, give us the okay, and then we get started.
I'm sure a lot of people watching are interested in this. Who would be a good candidate for this process?
That is a tough question. A lot of people are great candidates.
Yeah.
Really, they would have to come in here, and there are a lot of factors that go into it. But
for those who are lucky enough to get the veneers, what is the aftercare? Like, how do you live with them after you get them?
So just like you would with your natural teeth, you still have your natural teeth. Sometimes we don't even remove much tooth structure at all. It all depends. But you still brush and floss like normal. Yeah.
Sounds amazing. Where do people find you in downtown Charleston?
We are right off the crosstown on Courtney Drive, 92 Courtney.
Yeah. And what's the best way to book online? Should we call? You're accepting new patients still, I imagine?
Yes. Yeah. You can call the office 843-57-SMILE, and we'll get you.
Yeah. And good to know that on Saturdays, we hope that obviously you don't have a dental emergency, but if you do, you're here, you're working, and she's got you covered. Thank you so much for having us.
Yes.
Tatum Dentistry in downtown Charleston. Check them out today. We're going to take a quick break. More Lowcountry Live right after this.